श्री सिद्धांत सरस्वती विजयते गौरीय गोष्ठीपति वंदे गुरुपदद्वन्द्वं भक्तबिंदसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्य प्रभुं वंदे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं बिन्दावनं मनोहरम् वाञ्छाकल्पतरुस्य कृपा सिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयितगिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवं। बिन्दावै तुलसीदेव वै पिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिपदे देवी सत्त्ववत्त्वयि नमो नमः। नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयो मुदीरये। संकीर्तने कृष्ण कथोपदेशे गौरीयपत्रस्य प्रकाशने च सदानुरक्तो गुरुभक्तियुक्तो भक्तिप्रमोदाक्ष जगोद्वरुण्य धैर्यं सदा परिभवग्नमभिष्टदोहं तीर्थास्पदं शिवविरिञ्चनु तं शरण्यं वेत्तात्तिहं पनुतपाल्भवाद्दिपूतं वन्दे महापुरुषते चरुणारविन्दं यत्पादपल्लवनखचन्दमनिच्छटाय विस्फुरजित किमपि गववधू स्वदर्शि पूर्णानुरागरससागरसारमूर्तिः साराधिका मयि कदा कृपां करोसि। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौरभक्तबिंद श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौरभक्तबिंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। आजानुलंबित भुजौ कनकाबदातो संकीर्तनैकपितरौ कमलायताक्षो विश्वाम्बरो द्विजवरौ जुगधर्मपालो वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरो करुणावतारो। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमामि गंगे तव पादपङ्कजं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितो दिव्यरूपं भुक्तिं च मुक्तिं च ददासि नित्यं भावानुरूपेण सदा नरानं। गंगातरङ्गरमणीयजटाकलापं गौरी निरन्तरविभूषिः त्ववामभागं नारायणो प्रियमनङ्गमदापहारं वाराणसीपुरपति भजवीशनाथं। वागीशजुष्वदने लक्ष्मीर्यस्य च वक्षसि यस्यास्ति हृदये संविहित त्वं नृसिंहमहं भजे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Tavad bhayam davina deho suhit nimittam, tavad spriha paribhava vipulas chalovaha, tavad mamo iti asad avagraha arti moolam, javan nate angrim abhayam prabrinita lokaham. Tavad bhayam davina deho suhit nimittam, tavad spriha paribhava vipulas chalovaha, tavad mamo iti asad avagraha arti moolam, javan nate angrim abhayam prabrinita lokaham. Gauriya Goswami, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that people are so innocent, so foolish, they are going to jump into fire, driven by their very cheap karma. Very cheap karma. To fulfill their karma, they are jumping into fire. They are not going to think their future, past and nothing, only present. Whatever cheap enjoyment they are supposed to get, they are thinking about it. They are not thinking about past, future, what will happen. Gauriya Goswami, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that those foolish people, innocent jivas, they are jumping into fire, burning fire, driven by their very cheap karma. So cheap that we can spit on it. But still to fulfill that cheap karma, they are not going to consider their past, present, future. Present, okay, whatever conception is there about present, they like to get enjoyment at present. They don't like to think about their past and future. That is a big problem. This way, they are driven by karma. Prabhupada speaking, so long as we are in contact with Anantadev Balaram, so long as we are in contact with Ballabji Maharaj, Nityananda, Anantadev, then dissatisfaction cannot arise, complaint cannot arise, nothing can arise. Always you can find some saturated point. Is most vital point. Saturated condition, which is impossible for bonded soul to reach. Saturation. No demand, nothing. Purbo itihas bhulinu sakol, seba sukho pe mone. Now you understand the solution. Purbo itihas bhulinu sakol, seva sukho pe mone. The day you can get enjoyment in seva, aprakita ananda, the day you can get aprakita ananda in seva, then everything, all problem over. Nothing can stand. Nothing can stand. Saturated point. Actually it is impossible to reach saturated point. Saturated point means no kamana vasana, no desire for asatsanga. Actually I can come to this point. Asatsanga is the most basic thing, from where all problem arising. Not that everybody very dirty, everybody very bad. Not that. People are basically not bad, most of the people. But due to asatsanga, they are bound to run towards hell. Who can save them? Without Guru Vaishnava, nobody there. Without Guru Vaishnava, nobody can help you. Prabhupada used to say, Gauro Bimukh Nijo Jane Jani Por. Gauro Bimukh, aversive to Gauranga, I mean Bhagavan. Asatsanga, categorically you can discuss in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Joshi Sango, Joshi Sangi Sango, or at the same time, Krishna Bhakto, all discussion is there in Chaitanya Charitamrita. So long as we are in touch with Nityananda Balaram, Anantadev, many times I told, try to extend your heart towards infinity. Try to extend your heart up to infinity. If you are busy with your circle, one small circle, within this area you are going to confine yourself. You cannot see the whole world in relationship to Supreme Lord. Impossible for you. You cannot see the whole world, infinite world, in relationship to the Supreme Lord. That's why all problem arising. Upanishad also speaking the same thing. Whenever you can see everybody like you, not man, not woman, not old, not enemy, not friend. Yasmin sarvani bhutani atmaiva abhus vijanataha tatra ko moho ekattam anupashyata. When you can see the whole world, all jivas like you, then all problem over. Yasmin sarvani bhutani atmaiva abhut vijanataha. From dual conception, nanatva darshan, all problem coming, all attraction, repulsion, all coming from this single point. Because you are failure to see the whole world in relationship to this whole world, to Supreme Lord. You cannot find any link. Only you discover yourself, your minus, your everything, and be sure all father, mother, friend, wife, husband, whatever relationship, sweet relationship you have. I know you have some sweet relations with somebody. But you can discover that all bitter relationship, when you can grow friendship with Guru Vaishnava, not before that. All father, mother, friend, husband, or everybody, if they are not devotee, they are all sajanakchadusu. Prabhupada used to say, whatever sweet relationship may be there, however you are feeling, that is very good. You are feeling enjoyment with this Sangha, very nice. You feel sweet for the time being. Prabhupada speaking, if they are aversive to Gauranga, or you cannot discover openly, they are aversive to Gauranga. They are putting tilak, mala, everything, Mayavadi. Internally, they are aversive to Gauranga, aversive to Guru Vaishnava. How to discover? You can discover this point by their behavior, character, by their attitude, by their advice. Easily you can discover they are aversive to Guru Vaishnava and Bhagavan. Otherwise, how a man can misguide other? How one man can misguide others? As a acharya, as a friend, as a father, as a mother, how one, dear and near one, whom you think is dear and near one, how can misguide you? Whenever somebody going to misguide you, it's like mathematics, be careful. Whenever somebody like to misguide you, be sure some self-interest there, selfishness. Must be there, 100%. If not, then how? That's why all father, mother, friends, all, some or other way, they have self-interest 100%. Otherwise, how they are going to misguide you? In Bhagavatam, we discuss many times, Guru na sasyat, sajjano na sasyat, pita na sasyat, na sajjanani na sasyat, daivan na tasyat, na patim na sasyat, no mochayad jo samupeta mityam. He is not my Guru. He is not my Guru who is going to misguide me, who like to enjoy me. He is not Guru. Guru na sasyat, sajjano na sasyat. He is not sajjan. He is not sajjan. He is less interested to seek my absolute benefit. In the guise of father, somebody can misguide you. In the guise of mother, somebody can misguide you. Even some demigods can misguide you. Even husband, wife, they can misguide you. So those who are unable to give the feeling inside me that I am not body, I am not a sack of blood and flesh, bad smell is a sack of stool and urine. So long as my father, my friend, my guru cannot guide me in such a way so that I can become fearless. Why Guru becomes so fearless? Because they have no desire. They have no desire. That's why they are fearless. Fear coming from dual conception, from enjoying mood, from all different kind of, things. This way, your fear can arise. Remember, Mirabai, we are not discussing about Mirabai in Gaudiya Math, because many people ask me. I am just going to speak one incident, not any thought about her. Simply because she was not in line with Radharani. She was not in line with Radharani, but she got Krishna. But Dwarkadhish is Krishna. That's why we are less interested to discuss about her. She came to meet with, Goswamis in Vrindavan there. She used to do bhajan there. Radha Damodar, okay. But one point, only one point I wanted to speak. That she was queen. She was queen, na? Very nice, beautiful lady. But still, when she left everything, started running towards Vrindavan, nobody was there with him, with her. All through forest. All through forest going. Like Rup Sanatan. When coming to Purushottam, they are coming through the same way, forest, where Mahaprabhu used to go to Vrindavan. Now point is there is full of tiger, lion, everything there. How Sanatana Goswami, Rupa Goswami, how coming this way? Because they are fearless. They are sure about this point, that each and every heart, Bhagavan sitting, super soul in the form of super soul. How they can attack me? How they can attack me? If I can see Bhagavan inside a snake, poisonous, snake cannot attack me. If I can see Paramatma inside snake, poisonous, she cannot attack. Snake cannot attack me. If I can find Supreme Lord inside tiger, cannot attack me. When dual conception, Maya Darshan, then cannot. My point is that who wanted to guide that lady, beautiful lady, queen, who was given poison also, sent poisonous snake in a basket of Rana, so that whenever she can open the basket, snake can come and bite. But nothing was successful. Nobody could kill her. So anyway, the point is that what I mean to say, we will have to believe that everywhere Bhagavan is there. Then no fear can attack. if I am controlled by their supreme divinity, if I am controlled by Suddha Guru Vaishnava inside, not drama, then you be sure you are protected. You are protected 100%. No father can do anything. One day, one very nice devotee, I used to stay there in Vrindavan. Whenever I am doing parikram, I don't speak with anybody. So, when I come to Shyamkundo, there is one tree you have seen, there, where Gauranga Mahaprabhu said, Tamal Vriksha. There I am paying pranam, and that white cloth, he was the sevak in Kunja Vihari Math, that time, long ago. He had a fallen guru. Anyway, so he met with me and started crying, speaking, Maharaj, you saved me. Now what happens? Because he is crying, what happens? But I know who is my Guru Padma. I am cheated. This way, that time I was bound to speak to him, that if at the bank of Radhakund, Samkund, and now this Tamal Vriksha, Gauranga Mahaprabhu when sat here long before. Now, if you are 100% sure, if you are 100% sure that I can save you, be sure that you are saved. If you are 100% sure, you have believed that I can save you, 100%, be sure that you are saved. Because whenever we develop this kind of strong resolution, some belief, then no problem can stand. No problem. When we have some, our heart is shaking. Sometimes this side enjoyment, sometimes what to do bhajan and not to do bhajan, or at all doing, which way I can do. By following this strict sadhu, I cannot do. This way, father, mother, everybody can give you wrong advice. They like to misguide you. They like to misguide you. They are not your father, they are not your mother, because they are going to misguide you. Your Mayavadi can speak like this. We can submit unto the lotus feet of Suddha Guru Vaishnava so that we can save our Atma. But we are busy with your body and mind, everything. How is possible then? That's why Prabhupada used to say, so long as you are in connection, you are in touch with that Ananta Dev, Ananta, Vibhu Vastu, then there no fear can touch you, no dual conception can touch you, no I and my conception can touch you, nothing. The only problem, impediments in the way of God realization is the same. That is one curtain of Maya. One curtain of Maya. That's why those Shruti in personified form, those Shruti they in personified form, going to pay to Bhagavan. Bhagavan, please you try to lift your curtain. That is the only impediments in our life. We cannot see you. We cannot see you because Maya there. Maya curtain. Very clean relation. I have my relations, eternal relations with Guru Vaishnava. Only you will have to discover it. So long you are failure to discover, you cannot make actual relationship with Guru Vaishnava. You can say, my Guru, my Vaishnava, okay. But actual relationship, you have to realize it. So, it is written, Tavad bhayam dabrina deho srit nimityam. Till then you can fear. Dravin, all money, property, whatever you have, you can fear. Fear means you like to protect. You can see, watch one thing. one man up to the last moment of his life, last breathing, he like to protect his property, his honor, position, up to the last moment. But anyway, he or she cannot carry even a single penny with her or him or her, when he is going to or she is going to leave body. When you are going to USA, America, if you go to America and going to pay money, they can say, yes, useless. Here this money is not, useful. Throw. Well, money, I have money. They cannot take. There you will, there you will have to give dollar. If you are failure to give dollar, they cannot accept your money. It's called exchange, money exchange. Whatever you gather here in the material world, all your position, money, land, property, or whatever you gather here, educational qualification, those all are obsolete, useless. If you like to pay there, after leave your body, I like to pay you, so you allow me in Golok, Vrindavan, or Mathura, or in Vaikuntha, not allowed. This currency is not allowed there. All your educational qualification, all your, mental intuition, very nice, intellect, nothing useful there. All have to kick out here and go there. They cannot accept. Go. So be careful. Before leaving body, try to collect those currency, which is, useful there. What is that currency? That currency or bhajan bhal. Anyway, don't give indulgence to your lethargy, laziness, don't give. This life you are getting very precious life. There is no surety. There is no surety that next life you can get this opportunity. Try to put challenge with yourself. You talk with yourself in front of mirror. What do you want? What you want actually? Is there any duplicity? No duplicity, then no problem. No duplicity, you talk with you. In front of mirror, you say, what do you want? If cheap enjoyment, if those cheap material enjoyment going to disturb you, if cheap material enjoyment going to disturb you, okay, you can find solution by the association of Sadguru. You can get solution. Not that there is no solution. There can be countless kamana. And Guru Vaishnava never kick out those who have kamana vasana. They have kamana vasana. She is in an example backside. I say, allow her to come to me. You are making wrong Siddhanta. Those who are having all dirty conception, dirty heart, dirty sanskar, they must come in front of Vaishnava. Because by coming, they can purify them. Gangar parose hoy paschate pavon, darshane pavitra karo ei tomar gun. It is the nature of Guru Vaishnava. They can purify. So let them come. Don't stop her or him. Don't stop. She cannot find way out. How to get out of the trap of Maya. Big problem. So if somebody going to advise you to accept Guru, but not this Guru, that Guru, is more easy, Sahajya Guru, that's mean father is enemy. If I think that Param Puja Keshav Goswami is very tough, so I should accept one very soft Guru. Soft means Sahajya Guru. Because Vaishnavas are anyway soft. You are blind, you cannot see. Vaishnavas are not soft, how possible? Externally they are very harsh. But if somebody going to advise me, don't accept Paramahansa Keshav Goswami Maharaj. It's very tough. Better you can accept one Sahajiya Guru. Give permission to do all illicit activities. Or, also you cannot find the, if you accept Sadguru, then you can understand, my father, mother, friend, they are doing wrong in the name of bhajan. You can learn. So father to give one guard, so that you cannot see that I am going wrong, can guide you to take this. Otherwise, without one enemy, nobody can guide me this way. Whereas he is knowing, is nice, but don't take. What does it mean? That means misguiding me. That means my enemy. So, very painful. How I can save? Countless jivas are there. My heart breaking. But I cannot save them. Situation cannot permit me. Everybody not Haridas. Everybody not Haridas. Everybody not Haridas. Be careful. So, anyhow, we must get in connection with Suddha Guru Vaishnava, in connection with Anantadev. Then I can extend my heart towards infinity, because I like to live within the circle. It's very cheap. Very cheap. My circle. From my birth, I develop one circle. Within that circle, I like to confine myself. I like to keep myself confined within this area. Then how we can get? You have to break the circle. Go up to infinity. Then you can realize everything. You can remember Tattva Siddhanta, you can realize, you can feel everything. Everything you can feel. Otherwise, big problem. So, asatsanga is the most basic thing. I know so many boys and girls, so many nice. They are not bad. Character good, conception good, but they are weak. In fact, in front of you, all dirty, character people there. How you can protect yourself? How you can protect yourself? All around you, asasanga. All around you are put into. That much power you don't have. Everybody not Prabhupada, everybody not Guru Varga, that in front of them, all asasanga going there. Not that. It's not possible. Very rare. Ajamil was not a bad man. Ajamil was very good man. So nice I cannot speak. So nice Brahman, very nice quality, soft heart, married wife, worshipping, salgram, everything, father, mother. He used to respect all elderly person, he used to serve them. Every day worshipping salagram, how it was possible for him to fall down? Because the only point, there was no Guru Bal. If you are accepting Gurudev, but you are not interested to gather Guru Bal, everybody cannot get Guru Bal. You can accept Prabhupada, you can accept Keshav Goswami Maharaj, any Guru. But Guru Bal, how you can attain, that is very secrecy. How you can get Guru Bal, that is not a matter of joke. In front of one Sadguru, thousands of people can come. Not that everybody can get same kippa. Not that. A very few of them can get kippa. That is called Guru Bal. Ajamil was shouting only one thing, that is Guru Bal. Surely he accepted Gayatri Mantra from some Guru. But there was no Guru Bal. Any kind of eventualities you are facing, you can overtake, you can go away. By the help of Guru Bal. By the help of Guru Bal, you can come out. No Guru Bal, you cannot. That day, I already published, how many sevas you are doing, that is important, it's okay. But more important, the way you are doing the seva. The way, the mood with which. Sometimes somebody is compelled to do, oh, I am bound to cook, this, that, so many, I am not feeling security after Guru Padma gone. Really? Guru Padma gone? Idiot, Mayavadi. You are feeling insecure because you are Mayavadi. You are feeling insecure, you have no faith in Guru Vaishnava. How I believe? I never took even a single penny from my Guru Padma. Who helped me to come? Guru Bhargadeva. Everybody liked to throw me out in the ocean of Maya. Some or other I played trick. They wanted to handle me. If at all I think I have no quality. At all some quality, they wanted to use it for their own personal patishtha. But they couldn't do. Many of them. They never helped me. Even with single penny. Bhagavan taking me. Everything. Madhukuri, Viksha, everything. Still today going same. So fear, if somebody fearing, that means some weakness there. Hridrog, which is called Hridrog. Hridrog means Hridrog, many heart disease. Still today you have some interest for material enjoyment. Otherwise, how you are feeling weak? Not possible. This way, Ajamil was bound to jump into fire. How nice, pure life. Ajamil, how nice, pure life. I Brahman. And also that times, not today, long ago. And now all around Maya. All around Maya. All around Maya. All around. Even in your family life, you are staying inside your house, there is also Maya. Everywhere. If you go to get education in the foreign country, there is also Maya. Maximum you can get some educational qualification, but you can lose your character. Direct experience. So many, nice boys, they are going to foreign country, girls, they are coming, I know, very dangerous. You cannot protect yourself. We want to be controlled by Mayadevi. That's why our problem. If we want to be controlled by the Supreme Divinity, then what problem can stand? No problem can stand. No problem can. So, Bhayam pramattasya vaneshu pishat. Okay, this sloka I can discuss after. Tavad bhayam dabina deho svihit nimityam. So long you have dual conception, surely you are going to fear, have some fear, some unknown fear. Many such people I have seen, many mean, they have property, money, land, husband is very good, Still, that lady fearing. Husband is what fear? Unknown fear. Some unknown fear. They cannot explain why. There's some unknown fear going to chase them. So unknown fear, some fear. Chasing them. Money is there in bank, husband okay, everything also, but still fearing. What fear? So, Popa speaking, if there is a dual conception, then you can surely feel fear. Some sort of unknown fear can chase you. You like to protect your money, your property, all your honor, position, everything. That is the reason for why you are feeling weak. You are feeling weak because there is some ground. You like to protect your honor, position, money, property, everything. That's why fear. But Haridas Thakur never wanted to protect his honor. Because Supreme Lord is there. That's why he was given topmost honor. topmost honor, Haridas Thakur, Namacharya. This way. So, Tavad Bhayam, so long as you are having dual conception, till then, fear is a must. If you like to become fearless, what was the advice of Sukdev Goswami? What was the advice of Sukdev Goswami to Parikshit Maharaj? Rajan, if you like to become fearless, then what? Etat nibritvam ananam michchatam akuto bhayam joginam nipunirnitam harirnama anukirtanam. You try to do Harinam, you try to do Kirtan under the strict guidance of Guru Vaishnava. Who can give you? Nam, if I can take one beat back and start doing, this is not Nam. If there is no virya, no power, if I arrange my daughter to get married with one man who is no man and no woman, in between, in Bhagavad Gita, three things are prohibited. One is, don't try to arrange the marriage of your daughter with such a man or such a who is not man, not woman, in between. If you arrange marriage, then you should not arrange. Strictly prohibited. You should not shed, in dry field, sand all around. You are foolish, going to get some nice shade and going to put there in the sand. Oh, how you can expect to paddy or barley or wheat to grow up? How? Because putting in the seed you are going to put in dry land. How? Balite jal dhala. To pour water in the sand is useless. But wow, whatever you can go on pouring, water can go down. And to give mantra, to such a idiot person who is always busy with matter. If you give mantra, at least matter is okay there, but yeah, at least he or she has belief for Guru Vaishnava, then no problem. Matter can be there. Matter can be there, that's not a big problem. Problem is there, duplicity. If there is matter, if you have material enjoyment, don't worry. Very easily, this way, your enjoying mood, everything can go. But provided you have no duplicity inside you. Duplicity is there, no solution. So, Parikshit Maharaj, getting this answer from Gurudev, Etad nibritvam ananam ichchatam akuto bhayam. If you like to become fearless, O king, if you like to become fearless, you are to fearless. No, very. Somebody speaking, you are protesting, they can kill you. Okay, let them kill me. Let them kill me, come. Fear means you have some duplicity. Fearless, you can become fearless when you are controlled by Guru Vaishnava Nityananda. So, it was the advice of Sukdev Goswami to Parikshit Maharaj, Hey Rajan, if you like to become fearless, completely fearless, not even the shadow of fear, then you will have to go on doing Nam Sankirtan under the guidance of that Sadguru. Otherwise, you can never become fearless. How one father, mother, friend can advise me to take the... Like Mayavadi. Mayavadi speaking. Mayavadi, they are taking Diksha, is one kind of joking. Mayavadi, they are taking Diksha, one kind of joking. We can laugh, ha ha ha. Why? But Mayavadi taking Diksha from a very, useless person. Mayavadi. Because those who are having already Brahma Anubhuti, realization, according to their conception, I am not speaking my conception, according to their conception, if some man doing Brahma Siddhi. I mean, he like to feel I am submerged in Brahma. So surely, Brahma Siddhi means there is no, only Brahma. Then there is no disciple, no guru, no good and bad conception. Though it is false with them, their conception is wrong. Our Paramahansa Guru Vaishnava can attain this position, where no go good, where Paramahansa. But they are speaking according to their conception. They are speaking when somebody already attaining the post of Brahma, then he has no conception who is good, bad, his disciple, guru. That's why Mayavadi cannot take Diksha from a realized, Brahma realized soul. Realization also I cannot speak, it is also wrong Siddhanta. According to their conception, when somebody getting Brahma, attaining Brahma, they cannot give Diksha. So, Mayavadi going to accept Diksha from such a man who is not attaining Brahma as yet. That's mean, according to their conception, it is written, Anavagata Swat. Anavagata Swat, no clear conception about Brahma. From that kind of foolish people, you can take Diksha. Because their Diksha means, I must put one guru in front of me. I must prove one deity in front of me. Just to grow my attention. They are speaking. Just to concentrate my mind. Because my mind is, chanchal, na? So concentrate. So, to concentrate my mind, I will have to keep one guru. I will have to concentrate my mind, I will have to put some deity in front of me. Actually, it's not deity. It's actually idol. Mayavadi also. You can come with me in Vrindavan. Oh, Mayavadi. But there is no Bhagavan inside that. So, as for Mayavadi, their conception is very wrong, but still they are speaking so. What they are speaking? Well, to concentrate mind, they are bound to keep on deity or guru. Sadhokanam hitarthayo brahma rupa kalpana. Sadhokanam hitarthayo brahma rupa kalpana. They are going to think for the time being, mentally concoction. Oh, Brahma must have some shape and design. But actually they feel Brahma has impersonal Brahma. But impersonal Brahma, it is very dangerous to impersonal. How I can consider? Even in Gita Bhagavan speaking, na? In Gita Bhagavan speaking what? Abhyakto hi gatir duksham deho badbhir rabapati. Abhyakto hi gatir duksham deho badbhir rabapati. Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking to Arjuna. Arjuna, actually impersonal Brahma is impossible. Because no, I got nothing. I asked to the Muslim brothers, you speak? When you are speaking, Allahu Akbar, Bismillah, you speaking? You are thinking something? Some formless Brahma? Oh, actually my brother, I was thinking some form is there then. You are speaking Allahu Akbar, but when you are doing namaz, surely some conception coming. Even in Bible also I told, Bhagavan made human being according to his own shadow. In Bible also. So even Bible speaking this, you idiot not speaking this. Those the Christian people far better than you. Foolish. Something out of nothing, how possible? I already wrote now one article. Something out of, to give fitting answer to Mayavadi. Maybe tomorrow it can publish. Something out of nothing, how possible? To get something, you like to get kripa from one foolish guru, who already fall down. How you can get? You cannot get, na? If you like to get some cream by churning water, how possible? You are churning water from the morning time, like to get some cream. How possible? Itself, how possible? Because potency is not there, na? Potency is not there. So you cannot get butter. But if you churn milk, then potency is there, you can get. You can get, na? Potency. Potency is there. So surely the Guru, who is Sadguru, who can catch your hair from this ocean of Maya, can pull. Then, if you are going to run here, there, how you can save yourself? Not possible. In scientific research, these two are the more fundamental objectives. In all scientific research, all over the world. Cause and effect. If cause is not there, effect how can see? Jalio Kuri, Madam Kuri, very poor couple from England, scientists. Jalio Kuri, Madam Kuri. In chemistry book, we gone through. Very poor. Even they cannot arrange their bed properly. They are not giving service to anybody so that they can money. They are thinking they wanted to do some research on radioactive. But radioactive element very costly. 1 gram platinum, you go and ask pure platinum, how much cost? Platinum, rhodesium, everything. You cannot get. So they wanted to depend upon one waste product. One factory, they are making some product. One factory, they are making some product. And when they are going to throw waste product outside, they sure that their radioactive element must be there. They are going to collect all dirty things and come a very sub-forest and going to all there, gradually they are going to burn it with log outside from forest. Finally they got uranium, very small amount of uranium. In a broken room, they wanted to make research, anyway they get uranium. Radioactive element, they came to know later. Previously they wanted to do some research. So one day, they are keeping their uranium in a drawer, like drawer. There was a raw film, you know, raw film, black film. Put raw film. Raw film was there and uranium was there. Morning time, when they opened the drawer to start their seva onward, they find the black film, very raw film, some light effect there, light effect. But we buy it, we collect it, very nice. So how it can be? Then next day again they buy raw film, put inside. Again the morning time again, oh my God, something must be there. They started research with that uranium. Then ultimately they could realize there is that always that uranium decaying alpha, beta, gamma rays. Alpha, beta, gamma rays. And now at present we are doing X-ray. X-ray we are doing chest, X-ray. You go, medical shop, this way. So what I wanted to mean, actually cause and effect is the most fundamental thing. If I find countless drawback in you, I find in you so many, maybe some different kind of problem. But if I find there is love for Guru Vaishnava, that is the most fundamental point. Then you can be sure that someday you can become great devotee. This way they can understand. So cause and effect is very important. This way, asatsanga is the most basic problem in our society. All the time, asatsanga. You think you are not doing asatsanga. I am staying alone. I am staying alone inside my room. But you are doing asatsanga. You don't know. Don't allow your mind to run here and there. Don't allow your mind to come here and try to stay with Guru Vaishnava. Don't try to maintain your privacy. You try to open, Maharaj, I have cancer, open. I have leprosy, open the heart. You try to rectify. They can rectify. Don't try to keep your disease close. I cannot solve. Open. Open your heart and try to solve. This is my disease. I have leprosy inside my heart. You try to, give treatment to me, Maharaj, I like to become. That can be done. You cannot expect any heartful guidance from outside people. Even father, mother, friends, nobody. They cannot. So this way, asatsanga is the most basic problem, fundamental problem. You think you are staying alone, no asatsanga, but you don't know. You yourself is asat for you. You don't understand what I mean to say. You yourself is asat. You cannot understand, cannot make any head and tail. What I mean to say. Try to realize. You yourself is asat for you. I mean, your pure Jivatma, if this covering is over, you can discover your Atma is running towards Krishna, not towards man and woman. Jiva Sarup, if you can open, when all the coverings are cleared, then you can find Atma running towards Krishna, not towards hell. That's why in Bhagavatam, very fundamental thing, Sa vai pungsam paro dharmo yato bhakti radhakshaji ahetukya pratihata jayatmasu prasidati. Automatically you find. One magnet is there, an iron piece, how you can stop? Magnet is there, iron piece, the magnet can call, and iron can go. Automatically. Only you will have to take the help of Guru Vaishnava to clean the covering. Curtain of Maya. As soon as the curtain of Maya is over, then you can, Hari, so nice Aprakita Jagat, so nice Vrindavan, Navadip, oh. So long as you are behind the screen, that side Bhagavan, that side. This way, you yourself are the enemy. Whom to blame? In Gita, Bhagavan told, same thing. Uddhared atmana atmanam na atmannaiva avasadet. If you like to come out successful this life, try to stay with pure Guru Vaishnava all the time. No Maya can touch you. No ghost can come, I can promise you. No ghost can come. No ghost. Guru Vaishnava always protecting you. But you have no belief. If they are thinking about you, surely they are protecting you. All protection all around you. No father can do any harm. So this way, asatsanga coming in different way. Sometime in the form of maintenance of privacy, in the form of collecting Labh Puja Pratishtha, in the form of Sadhu Guru Vaishnava, they are Mayavadi, in the guise of Guru Vaishnava coming to you. Who is initiated by a authorized Guru? My question, who is already authorized by a Sadguru and who is doing bhajan non-stop, how is possible Maya can touch him? Surely he is not initiated by one authentic Guru and not doing bhajan. Sometimes some Guru become very fear when watching disciples, like the case of Ramanujarjo. Ramanujarjo, like the case of Lakshman Deshik. Why and how that Guru, whose name? Jadavacharya, become power. Because Jadavacharya could realize, a small boy, by knowing all Siddhanta, today or tomorrow, he is going to destroy my position, rank and position. So better to kill. if somebody going to misguide you, that is called jivhingsa, right? Prabhupada speaking, if somebody going to misguide you, don't allow you to reach the exact place for your, development of your consciousness, for the absolute benefit of your Atma, then he is enemy. It's cruel. To misguide people is called cruelty, jivhingsa. This way, your asatsanga can come in the form of mobile, in the form of satsanga. In the name of satsanga, you can do asatsanga. Follow. This way, all your pratishtha asa, your desire to lead your life exclusive way, all different way Maya can come. Don't allow Maya to come. Always try to stay in front of Vaishnava. One artist from nice place, he used to come here. His name is very nice boy, very nice, from Midnapur. He is artist. He's very classical artist. This is an art college, taking Gigri. He is coming to me, very nice boy. I told, you are poor, you like to collect money by teaching art to others, but where you are going to teach? You have any teaching hall? Oh, no, I am very poor. I am going to man's house. They are paying 500, 2,000, 100, according to time. And be careful, there you can find all small girls also there. I told, as a precautionary measure. Whenever you go there, at present you can, okay, if you go there, then immediately you can open the picture of Prabhupada and Guru Varga. Immediately you can put in table, by watching them they can become fear. Otherwise, you are very innocent boy, problem can happen. I told. Then you obey already. Whenever I go to anybody's house, you're going to teach something, you can open the photo of Guru Varga and put. And sometimes you can play also Harikatha. By hearing 2 or 3 words, two at a time, you can give 2 benefits. One is teaching art, at the some spiritual consciousness level can learn. He agreed. Whenever somebody looking at Prabhupada and Guru Varga, by fearing, they can fear. They are so influenced there, inside. So, this way we'll have to give protection. So, different way. Your asatsanga can come in the form of college degree. I know you are a very good student. You can get degree. And after that you can get service, get money. If money is the only problem in the way of your bhajan, then Bhagavan can give money. I can speak to Bhagavan. Bhagavan can give money. Bhagavan can give money. Money you need, na? You don't need Bhagavan, na? So you are going to spoil your life this way. When you can get degree, by that time your Atma already fall down. What you can do with money? By the time you are going to get degree, by the time all you lose, or your consciousness level go down, more and more down, you feel, help everything. What you can do? Degree is not bad, you can get material degree, but what you can do? It cannot help you to get Krishna. So this way, asatsanga can come in your life any time, any moment. In the form of friend, in the form of husband, in the form of father, mother, all they can come. I mean those who are not going to guide you properly. What is the Siddhanta? Don't try to reserve your life this way. Protect your life. Open. So Chaitanya Bhagavat speaking the same thing what I discussed. Chaitanya Bhagavat always speaking the same thing. I was discussing in gist, Vrindavan Das Thakur Maharaj speaking, Vrindavan Das Thakur Maharaj speaking, in gist, Vrindavan Das Thakur Maharaj wanted to speak in gist, all leelas going to happen. First of all in gist, like formula. After that he speaking, if I can get time, they can go on expanding. First of all, like formula. That I have been discussing this point. This. So, Madhyakhande Sivaser Mritaputta Mukhe Jip Tattva Kahaya Ghuchaila Duksho. If you are making some plan and program, this can destroy your life. Be careful. Now you are planning something. Badajiv, planning to make you start one new life, again like to marry, this, that. Be careful. Everybody not lucky like you. Sometime by chance. I told them, if you are feeling attraction, better you can go to crematorium ground and stand for some time. And can watch one by one dead body coming, they are burning in the tire. If you feel attraction for blood and flesh, if you are feeling lonely, that's not a big problem. Guru Vaishnava can give a Sangha. What do you mean by lonely? What do you mean by lonely? Lonely means, I never feel lonely. Always alone with coping, doing bhajan, no lonely. I find all Guru work alone. Oh, always alone. What do you mean by alone? I never feel alone. Always I feel Guru work there. So, don't try to plan anything which can destroy your life. Destroy your life. So, whenever you are feeling attraction for blood and flesh, better you can go and stand in a crematorium ground and watch one by one dead body coming and burning. This will have to watch. That is the final result of your body, with which, by the help of the body, you are planning so much. What you got from this world. Even your body, even your mind, even your intellect, whatever you receive, money, position, bank amount, whatever, any degree, whatever you gathered, all you took from this world. When you came all naked, you took birth from your mother womb. Don't forget this. And whenever you can go away, you will have to go naked. They can burn and it can be converted into ashes. Always remember this. Whenever enjoying mood coming, always thinking. This is the final result of it. So don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Always try to come in front of Guru Vaishnava. Mentally you can stay with Guru Vaishnava. Always. No father can do anything. So, in the Madhyakhanda, middle part, Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya is speaking. In the Madhyakhanda, middle part of Chaitanya Bhagavat, Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya is speaking. All the members of Srivas Pandit house, wife and all, the wife of those, wife, so many relatives are staying. They are all crying because the only son of Srivas Pandit gone away from this material world. That also, when Mahaprabhu dancing, in Srivas Mandir, closing door, all doing Sankirtan Ras, that time the son of Srivas Pandit gone. And Srivas Pandit not going to complain, Prabhu, you are the Supreme Lord, you are dancing, how I can meet this kind of problem, my son gone. So surely you are not Supreme Lord. So any problem coming in your life, maybe financial problem or any problem, body problem, always start to keep patience and think that it is the blessings of Bhagavan. You cannot see, at present you are blind. When I was deprived everywhere, because of speaking Harikatha, any temple, they told you come and say. Whenever says they are watching and speaking of absolute truth, everywhere. I have no place to keep my bag even. So I was feeling, why Bhagavan speaking? Nobody can complain against me. Nobody can complain against me. But still, because they don't like to hear absolute truth. Finally I discover, oh my God, it is the plan of Bhagavan. He wanted to make me naked, first of all. In Bhagavan speaking in Bhagavad Gita, Mahapuran. there is, what is called, Baman Dev and Bali Maharaj. Bhagavan speaking, Yam anugrimnami aham. To whom I am going to bestow full kippa, first of all, I like to make him naked. I mean, naked means I like to take away all the objects. All those objects, all his belongings, on the basis of which he can express false ego. I like to take away everything, first of all. Jam anugrinami aham jam anugrinami tad visho vidanomi aham. First of all, if I like to bestow kippa on someone, I like to take away all money, property, or everything from him, so that he can feel helpless and finally can depend upon me, and then I can bestow kippa. Now you are not depending upon Guru Vaishnava Bhagavan, 100%. You are not going to accept Guru Vaishnava, your life and soul. Okay, you like, that is, you like. I am not speaking you don't like, otherwise how you are coming long way. You are coming long, okay, but not 100%. Not 100%. 100% you have to get absolute benefit, you will have to give absolute. I mean, give everything. If you cannot reserve anything. So, Bhagavan speaking, if I like to bestow kippa on somebody, then first of all I like to take away everything. Like Tirandi Bhikshuk. You remember? Ekdanda Sannyas, he took everything. All money, property gone. Family members like to kick him out. Huh? Go out, useless. After they fell family. Now he is thinking, now surely Bhagavan is satisfied with me. Otherwise, how I am feeling so nice today. I have no obligation, no pressure, no burden. I am now free. How I used to travel in Vrindavan forest. Only my body is there, some torn cloth and water pot. Oh, so nice. Bhagavan can give chapati or cannot give. Then after, no problem. Miracle. Whole day I could not take prasad because all forest. Finally, you see the miracle. It's not story. I'm not speaking a story, practical. Finally, I traveled that day maybe 50 kilometers, over 50 kilometers. I started from Nandagram, Barsana, all Khadirvan, go to Kokilavan, Chota Bethan, Bare Bethan, cross the road, go to Chamelivan, from there I go to Haryana, I mean, Sheikh Sai. I enter there, one pujari was there. I don't know. He immediately asking to his brother, hey, immediate Baba coming, maybe whole day not eating anything. Go immediately to that Mataji's, Brajama. And get, I wonder, I never speak, I need some chapati, robot. You see the inspiration of Bhagavan. How he knows, the whole day I am not eating. Immediately that boy running to one Mataji's, I mean old lady. She's making chapatis, immediately come. One day happened yes, you are laughing. Where in Kamaban, I was wandering around, very nice, like beggar, wandering around with a stick, waterfall. And some Mataji washing clothes in a pond. One Mataji, Baba, you have taken any prasadam? You have taken anything? I said, no. She is speaking, come with me, I am following like a child. She is going to reach the home, and his husband there, making chapati and give. How he knows? How they realize? Miracle, you cannot believe. One Siddha Baba there, Siddha Baba, original. Someday I can show the picture. I went there. They are not Gaudiya Sampradaya, but where to go? I go there, taking rest there, night time, and some devotee was there, some small devotee, he loved me, he was there, he developed fever. And next day, I wanted to go, that is Purnima day, Purnima, Rasa Purnima. I don't know why inside my mind I'm thinking, today if I could go, if I could offer Paramanna to Bhagavan, today's Purnima, Rasa Purnima, with this, I'm not speaking to anybody. And I also could get some Paramanna with chapati, if I could get. Only I'm thinking, morning time, where Annik is over, and Ursi. Then I start traveling, then I can go to Barsana. From Kambavan, I can go different zigzag way in forest. I can go to Kam. When I am going, then some places there. There are some Brajavasis and some sadhus saying that, Baba, come on here. And what happens? There is so much prasadam left. Yesterday we make big bandara. So what prasadam? Bole Paramannu. If you 200 people taking Paramannu, still you cannot finish. Miracle. And the taste of the Paramanna I cannot forget. I never took in my life. Miracle. They call me, come, Baba. They are giving, Puri and Paramanna. And they even do so much. You see the arrangement of Radharani. So I have 100% belief. If you all leave me, I don't care. Still I can think Bhagavan can. 100%. Somebody going to stop giving rice. Oh, somebody can give again. Bhagavan giving Prerana can give. This whole life are depending on Bhagavan. That's why up to this point at least something I'm trying. This much, nothing. But still by the blessings of Bhagavan. Nobody wanted to help me. None of my God brothers, nobody. They wanted to cheat me. Even now you can go and search, all against me. But small devotees, they are giving information. Maharaj, miracle. You stop 31st December writing all. Then immediately after that, one cutting I am going to publish, and more than 10,000. One small of my, Harikatha. They cut one portion. One reel. They are showing me 12,000, 15,000. Well, never before was that. This is Nityananda. Let them hear or not hear. What can go and come in my life? If you hear my Harikatha, that is also I am not going to give any payment. Or if you ignore that also. The small devotee, Punno, SBC, they saw me. Maharaj, 15,000, 10,000 within 1 day. Somebody is watching that, forwarding to so many people. You watch. So, I don't know. It's made the arrangement of Nityananda. Also, our Raghubabu trying to come on Geo platform so that crores of people can watch. He's trying. Maybe it is the arrangement of Bhagavan. Nothing will go and come. So anyway, in a Madhya-khanda, middle part, the main thing, Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya, that the son or the only son of Srivas Pandit gone from this world. But still Srivas Pandit never wanted to complain, Prabhu, you are Supreme Lord, come on, you are here dancing. How is that possible, my son gone away? But we bonded soul, any negative thing, useless Bhagavan, useless Gurudev. Why? Why? So, we have no belief. Shiva speaking, all for the best. Prabhupada told, all for the best. My son gone, all for the best. My money gone, I am left with a coffin, okay, it's all for the good, all for the best. Prabhupada speaking. This way, by the help of that dead body, Mahaprabhu wanted to expose the secret tattva of life and death. Life and death. What is life? What is death? Wanted to. Very clear. Dead body lying, Mahaprabhu inside dancing. Mahaprabhu, today I am not getting enjoyment. What happened? Nothing happened. Something happened. Nothing happened. Prabhu, you go on doing. They are not ready to speak, but Supreme Lord is Supreme Lord. As a super soul sitting inside the body of everybody, how I can do all rubbish activities, lonely in the room, but Bhagavan can see, sitting inside. Bhagavan sitting inside, you are alone, you think, but Bhagavan watching. And all are going to save. Bhagavan going to save in the computer. You can get result according. So all saved. And according to that, you can get result. Don't think you are alone. Those who are feeling alone, they are not devotee, perfect. Not yet perfect devotee. Devotee is not feeling. Bangshidhar Babaji Maharaj alone. Golkes Babaji Maharaj, Bhagavan, all alone. All around snake and jackal. How it was possible for me to stay in the forest? Ghost also there. Some Brajavasis. I have to say Anandaguri, Gokul, forest. One Brajavasi, I don't know. Brajavasi, Baba, you can come here in our Bhajan Kutir. We can arrange cooler, everything. I say, cooler I don't need actually. No, I can arrange. Nice prasada. Later on I came to know there is one ghost. There is one ghost. That man, this thing many times happened so. Not one time. I can go one history. One by one. Not only in Delhi, east of Kailas. Many times it happens so. But Brajavasi wanted to bring me there in his bhajan kuti. He wanted to say, I am not greedy, so I can arrange desi ghee, nice parotha for you every day. And I don't know why. A dry chapati I am taking. Somebody told me, Maharaj, his brother died, suicidal case. He like to take you there, you can do Harinam and the ghost can go away. That's why. It's very clever. One day, I am doing parikrama, long parikrama. From Govardhan, I go to Chanda Sarovar, I go to Etha, Petha, I go to Shok, long distance. All village I can speak name. We are memorized already. After Shok, I started going. Some Brajavasi suddenly watch at me and some devotee was there. Baba, come here, come here. Come here. You can stay today night here. I can't stay. Later I came to know there was one ghost. He wanted to allow me to stay there and ghost can... Well, I am not so elevated devotee so that I can go and deliver even ghost. This way they like to engage me. So anyway, this is the tattva. Mahaprabhu wanted to show. This I go on discussing. If I go on, I'm different from different angle. You can get so much teaching. Madhyakonde Sivaser putro mitoputta mukhe jiptotto kohaya ghuchaila dukhe. Those who are lamenting, for them it was a nice medicine. Because the dead body, Mahaprabhu said, hey Jivatma, why you gone away? Come. No, my actually all what is accounts is over here. All my debit and credit balance. So I like to go to some. No, you come. Then the Atma coming, entering the body of the son of Shiva and speaking. After that, the Jivatma gone. Then all the wife of Shiva's Pani, all everybody stop. Oh, this is the tattva. Nobody can stay in this body for long. So why we are going to develop conception like man, woman, old, or enemy, friend? All title. So I like to stop here, some seva they are here. And so I can discuss, next Harikatha I can discuss that those Vedanta in personified form, they are coming and praying to Bhagavan, Bhagavan, please save us. You lift your curtain. Jaya 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 Yama Jita Dosa Givita Guna Tamasi Jadatmana Samabaruda Samasta Vaga Aga Jagadoko Sama Kila Sakta Babodha Kate. This way. I can explain next way. So, Tavad Bhayam Dobino Dehu Svit Nimitvam Tavas Priha Paribhava Pipulas Chalova Tavad Mamo Iti Ashat Avagra Artimulam Javad Nate Angre Mabhayam Prabrinite Lokaha Vancha Kalpasakipa Sindhu Bhaja Patitanang Pavana Bhavisham. It is the order of Mahaprabhu. It is the order of Mahaprabhu. Whenever you get chance to protect some Jivatma, you can do. You can get full blessing. Everybody. Whenever you get chance to protect somebody, protect.